Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to set or make Elementor menu drop down to full screen height in Elementor WordPress. So this is our menu. So we are going to open it. Now you see not cover full screen. You see footer logo. So we are going to cover full screen by using custom CSS in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to make height full screen. Now go to Elementor edit, and then you see WordPress menu, and then you see we added CSS classes full background. So you can add class name according to requirement and then click on publish. So after that we are going to add custom CSS. Now go to customize section and we are in additional CSS. Now paste, and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. So we added class full background and then we added Elementor navigation menu container. Now we are going to add height, and then we are going to add 100 VH to make Elementor menu full screen. So we added height 100 VH and then click on publish. Now publish done, and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. So you can add CSS class according to your requirement, and then you see Elementor navigation menu container height 100 VH. So you can find this by using inspect element. Now go to website mobile layout. Now you see footer. Now refresh the page. Now open or expand menu again. So click on it. Now you see cover full screen height. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.